Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can earn the Style Showdown set on Dress to Impress. So here are some of my tips. I know you're probably sick of me saying this, but this works the best. So I suggest you playing when it is late at night. I know that's bad advice, but when not a lot of players are going to play. As you can see, there's 8 players right now because I think a lot of players are playing this game. But if you find like a little to no players, you are able to win the prize easier. So if there are only 6 players, it's just way easier. And sometimes if you get really lucky, some players will just leave the game. I don't know why, they will just leave. And you'll have less and less players. Also, it is easy if you have friends voting for you. The round theme is Barbie. Interesting. I really like this theme. Dress good. Make sure your custom makeup is like set before you play the game. So I already have like mine kind of set. Actually, like this one. Make sure we have that Barbie eye color. And I know like I'm supposed to have it kind of like set a little bit more, but you know, the theme is Barbie. I gotta go with it. Like a pinkier blush. And why does the eyebrow look sad? Maybe this one looks kind of more fierce, but it's fine. Like, I don't have a lot of time. For the hair, I'm going to do this. And maybe like a ponytail, that like iconic Barbie ponytail. Why are the eyebrows like not giving? The eyes are like a little bit too fierce as well. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah. I'll just color it a little bit more brown, and now we are going to go to the outfits. I'm going to do like a retro Barbie kind of look. With these glasses, obviously, I might need to change the lip color on that because I feel like it's a little bit too bright. I will use these heels. Okay. I might make this a little bit darker. I don't know. Oh my god, I have like no time. Keep that in mind, by the way. So don't spend too much time like me. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I'm not going to go further into the tips and tricks because, I mean, you guys know what to do. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.